Just before I get going on the next one, I'm going to make sure that I've got enough page at the bottom. So I'm just going to rearrange things, move them up the page a little bit, make sure it's nice and neat. There we go. Plenty more room to work with now. Okay, the next one is going to be using effects. I'm going to do this on the word Halloween. You can choose to do whichever word you wish. There we go. Let's just put an outline on there. Orange outline. Increase the stroke weight. And to do this, so I'm going to zoom in, Control plus to zoom in. We use these effects up here. Now if you've been on Adobe Photoshop, you will recognize these effects. These are taken from Photoshop. You can also have ones that are exclusive to Illustrator, such as 3D. I'll just show you that one quickly. So that will put text on an angle for you. But what I like about the Adobe ones is that they're all together. So you've got all these different effects and they're all together in one gallery. So if I zoom in again, Control plus, you can simply just click on all the different effects and see which one you prefer. So you'll notice whichever one I click, it changes up here as well. The same list here is the list we've got here. So that and that are the same. And yeah, you can play around with sort of brush strokes, and so you can make some look like watercolour, and then you've got all these settings in between to show texture and light intensity and everything. And it's really just a case of having a play around with it and seeing what works. I'm not quite sure why mine's looking so pixelated. Hopefully yours won't do that. So yeah, have a go. Convert your text to outline. Go to the effects library and have an experiment with some of those tools. So experiment with your own different effects and tell me which ones you've used there. If you write exactly the same as me, it's going to get a little bit boring, so tell me what it is that you've done.